Indigo Double G. Snoop Dogg.
Hi, I'm May and welcome to May's World. And today I'm going to be defining my hair. Now, defining my hair means I'm going to be giving it curls, and I'm going to be doing it according to this video by this TikToker. I saw this video on TikTok and I was like, yes, I have to do it. I have to try because she has a type 4 hair too, so it could work for me. Anyways, before we get on to the video, you guys know what to do. Like, subscribe, and comment. Please help me by liking and subscribing and commenting. Thank you. To define my hair, I'm going to be using a few things. The first is a gel, obviously. A brush that looks like this. It's very hard, literally. This could literally peel off my skin, but it's for your hair. I got this from Mr. Pounds, anyways. A comb, hair scrunchies or packers to separate your hair, and a spray bottle. Now I know this is not a spray bottle, but my spray bottle got missing for some reason, so I just use this empty Body Fantasies perfume bottle instead. Okay, so let's get to it. So before we start, there are some conditions your hair must meet before you define your hair using this tutorial that I'm using. First off, your hair must have been braided or put in a twist or something just to stretch it out. And my hair was previously in cornrows some days ago before I loosed it, so I got that. And your hair must have been deeply conditioned, and I've been conditioning my hair with leave-in conditioner for a few days. So once you've done that to your hair, then you can move on to the next step. First, I'm going to section my hair into 4 parts. Okay guys, now that I've sectioned our hair, I'm going to take this section of hair and just comb through it. Now that that's done, I'm going to spray some water into it. This is enough. And now I'm going to use my fingers to detangle it like this. I'm going to remove just a little bit of it. Okay, so now I'm going to put some gel into the part of hair that I just sectioned. Okay, so now I'm going to use this brush and comb through it. And now I'm just going to use my finger to drag it from the root to the tip. Are you seeing these curls? What? Okay, I'm beginning to like this. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm done with this section of my hair, and oh my god, look at these curls. Yo, I mean, look at these curls, like, damn. Okay, I'm liking this. Alright, so now we're just going to do the same thing I did on this part of my hair for the remaining 3 parts of my hair. Okay guys, so I'm all done with the different sections of my hair. Now I'm just going to be using my hand to finger detangle it from the root to the top for about 10 minutes according to the video. I don't know if I'm going to go that long, but I'll try. Alright guys, so next I'm going to be using a blow dryer on my hair to dry it up.
One eternity later.
So I'm done blow drying my hair, so you can just pack it up in a style like this. Pack it up in a high puff. I don't know if you can see the curls, or you can do my personal favorite, the space buns. Okay, so I guess that's it for the tutorial. If I was going to give my review on this, if it really works, I'll say not really. I mean, I don't think her hair is fussy, or it just really, so I don't think it's fussy anyway, so it looks better on her hair, like you can actually see the curls. But for this, I mean, at this point I really can't see anything. I really can't see anything, but actually I actually saw the curls before I did the blow dry. So I'm going to get, if you want to get that, you don't blow dry your hair, but then your hair is going to be wet and it's going to look white because of the gel. So I don't know. I'm going to rate it like, I don't know, 3/10 for 4C hair. I'm pretty sure if your hair is 4B or 4A, it's going to work. But for 4C hair, it doesn't really work at this point. Plus, the water in the hair literally just shrunk my hair. That's why my space buns are looking so small, because the water has shrunk my head, especially after blow drying. Literally everything just went back. Everything just went back to normal. So this is it. Thank you guys for watching. If you got this far, thank you so much. Bye. See you next time.